You can see here use two transistor board for subwoofer output and stk4141 for surround output. Now I am going to make this amplifier. This is the transformer. The voltage is ready. Now I am going to check the voltage first. I know you can make the voltage. I don't need to show. 28, 28, negative 28, positive 28. Here is 19, 19. I am going to use this tube circuit. This one is stk4141. This circuit for the surround speaker, and this one for subwoofer speaker. This stk4141 can make 25 watt, 0.25 watt, and this transistor circuit can make 150 watt. 150 watt. Subwoofer output is 150 and surround output is 25 watt. Now I am going to connect the voltage from the positive voltage. This is negative voltage and this is the ground voltage. This is the negative voltage. This is the ground, and so this is the positive as a ground. This is the ground. This is your audio input, right side. This left side, and this is the audio output. So also another one output. This is the speaker output for the surround, left and right channel. Left and right surround speaker output. This is the left channel. This is the right channel. Now let the ground voltage for the speaker output. These two will be ground. These two will be ground voltage. These two ground for the surround speaker. The surround section is ready. This is the input. Surround input will be here. Surround input. Now subwoofer. Subwoofer positive voltage, ground, is the negative voltage. The voltage, no need to solder. Here is the socket. Now the voltage should be go from here. This is the positive voltage, red wire. The orange is the ground voltage and black is the negative voltage. This one is speaker output. Speaker output for subwoofer. Speaker output. The ground voltage for subwoofer. Now this is the input for subwoofer output, audio input. Surround and the subwoofer input. This is the subwoofer output, surround output. The surround output will go from the resistor circuit. The output will connect here. This is the voltage. So input for subwoofer. These two input will be together because the master volume will be same. One volume will be full master volume. For this case, I am using two wire here. The master volume will work both sides, subwoofer and surround. This is the ground. This is the ground. This one left channel and right channel. This is the ground. Ground. Left channel. This is the right channel. this master volume will work together with the subwoofer and surround. This voltage for the resisting circuit. Here need minimum 12 voltage because they have one 12 voltage regulated IC. You can give 24 voltage also, no problem. I am using voltage from here. Black one is the negative and orange one is the positive. Positive. This one will go to ground. That means negative ground voltage. Now on this subwoofer input have subwoofer input have. I am going to use this low pass filter for the subwoofer section. This is the low pass filter for subwoofer. I need voltage input and output. This is the low pass filter volume, subwoofer volume. This circuit need positive voltage, negative voltage, positive, negative, input and output. This is negative voltage, this one is the ground voltage, this is the positive voltage. This is the voltage wire. Negative, the voltage connection ready. Now this input wire will go to the circuit output. Will go to circuit output. Low pass filter output. Input wire will connect with the low pass filter output. This is the input, audio input comes from the main volume, will connect here, will connect here. Studio input, but output is mono. Input is the studio, but output is mono. Now this is the input for subwoofer. Will come here output. Low pass filter output. This wire will connect with low pass filter output socket. It has no socket, only a connection section. Mono output. Now our amplifier is ready. This is the input, main input. I will use the Bluetooth circuit. This is the Bluetooth audio wire output. The audio will output is in this wire and it goes to this input. The middle is the ground. Middle wire is the ground, left and right input. Based on circuit input and Bluetooth circuit output will be together. Now this Bluetooth circuit needs 5 volts. Bluetooth circuit needs 5 volts to run. This is the 5 voltage regulator IC. negative voltage, negative or ground. Now the voltage input. I'm using 19 positive voltage. Left wire, left leg. The 5 voltage will come out from the right leg. Be careful to connect the 5 voltage. If you make wrong, the Bluetooth circuit will blast. Now, with the 5 voltage, this one is the ground or negative voltage. Now our amplifier is fully ready. Let's go to check. Sorry, I cannot play the song for the copyright issue, YouTube copyright issue. USB. It's playing song. I'm going to connect the speaker. Is sub speaker. Look, it's working. The Bestone circuit also work. If you want to make any kinds of amplifier, you can contact with us. Thank you for watching.